So we have a huge build. This is going to be water cooled, as you can probably tell. It is going to be the highest end build I have ever done, clearly, because it's not hard to get higher than an 860K. So, time to list out these parts. For a power supply, we have behind our RAM, it is a Corsair AX860i. For our RAM, we have 16 gigabytes of Corsair Dominator DDR4 3000 megahertz. I can't speak. For ASUS, for our motherboard, we have an ASUS Z170 Deluxe. To go into that motherboard, we have a Intel Core i7 6700K and also a Zotac GTX 1080 with the WATERBLOCK already installed. Go on to the CPU, we have an Evo WATERBLOCK, some Bitzpower Zotac multi-400s, some Phoenix Spectre Pro fans, some LED, some not, and we have 2 radiators there along with an SSD. We have a whole host of fittings, and for tubing we have dark blue rigid tubing and dark blue soft tubing, and for cables, Fantex white extensions. So I'm thinking just get right into this because it's going to be fun.
Alright, so this is where we are at the moment. We have both of our radiators in. See the other one here. We have the system itself built, and we have all of the runs going to the main components done. All we have to do is redo this one because it didn't turn out as well as we wanted it to, but it will do in terms of just fitting everything up. So that's going to be part 1 of this build. And all we have to do in part 2 is everything else, but reservoirs, pumps, and just wire it up and fill the system. That shouldn't be too bad. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.